Facts and characters of the play The Winter's Tale by William Shakespeare. The Winter's Tale is a romance. It was around 1610 and 1611. The play is divided into two contrasting parts, tragedy and comedy. The story is set in Sicilia and Bohemia. King Leonce of Sicilia is the central character. The main cause of conflict is Leonce's sudden jealousy. Leonce falsely accused his wife Hermione of infidelity. Hermione is accused of having an affair with Polixenes. Polixenes is the king of Bohemia and Leonce's childhood friend. Hermione is put on trial but is proved innocent. Leonce's son Mamilius dies due to shock and grief. Hermione is reported dead, though she is actually alive. The play has a time gap of 16 years. Hermione's daughter Perdita is abandoned as a baby. Perdita is raised by a shepherd in Bohemia. Perdita grows up to be beautiful and virtuous. Florizel, son of Polixenes, falls in love with Perdita. Polixenes opposes their marriage at first. The play moves from sorrow to joy. Forgiveness and repentance are major themes. The famous stage direction Exit, pursued by a bear, appears in the play. At the end, Hermione is revealed as a living statue, and Leonce realizes his mistake and repents deeply. The play ends with reunion and reconciliation. Nature, time, and fate play important roles in the story. Characters: Leonce, king of Sicilia, husband of Hermione, a jealous and tragic figure, repents his actions later. Hermione, Queen of Sicilia, faithful, dignified, and patient, wrongly accused by Leonce. Polixenes, King of Bohemia, friend of Leonce, father of Florizel. Perdita, daughter of Leonce and Hermione, abandoned as an infant, raised by a shepherd, symbol of innocence and renewal. Florizel, Prince of Bohemia, son of Polixenes, loves Perdita truly. Paulina, loyal friend of Hermione, bold and honest, brings truth before Leonce. Mamilius, son of Leonce and Hermione, dies young due to grief. Antigonus, nobleman of Sicilia, abandons Perdita in Bohemia, killed by a bear. Camillo, honest lord, loyal to both Leonce and Polixenes. Shepherd, raises Perdita, kind and simple man. Clown, son of the shepherd, provides comic relief. And Autolycus, a rogue and trickster comic character, represents deception and wit. Thanks for watching.